Today we're doing an oil analysis on my personal car. This is my 2013 C6 Corvette that I got with 27,000 miles on it. Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe and go ahead and tap this notification bell right here. That way you'll get a buzz when we do our next video. This is changing the oil filter after 4,500 miles, and we're showing all the buildup that came out from the mineral oil that was in the motor. So when you buy a car like this actually comes with a synthetic blend, and an oil manufacturer can call it a full synthetic when it's 25% synthetic or more. So you're seeing all this dark oil that's coming out. We're putting on the new filter after 4,500 miles. Now we're going to go underneath my personal vehicle and we're going to show you the oil that came out when we changed the filter. We took this oil from the filter, which is a worst case example. We wanted to show all that sooty buildup that came out by cleaning the motor with the Signature Series, which is the best motor oil in the world. It's made at Superior, Wisconsin. It's blended and packaged, and then it gets shipped all over the world. So you're going to see all that soot that came out of that motor after 4,500 miles. It's all in the pan, and so we're going to take our analysis from this oil right now. All right, here we go. We're dumping in the oil right into this little oil analysis jar. That gets mailed out, and then they're going to see all the silica and all that stuff that's in there from all those years of maybe possibly doing one oil change per year with synthetic blend, maybe 2 years, because if you have 27,000 miles on a car and it's 12 years old, maybe they went 2 years on an oil change. And so the ethanol breaks down the oil. And so there's a lot of wear that didn't have to happen to my car, but it did. And so we're sharing with you the secrets to not have that. This is the kit. Now we're installing proprietary fuel additives that clean inside the motor. If you want to see more about that and learn more about it, you can always reach out to me. I'd be overjoyed to give you the secrets to getting your vehicle to run better than brand new. And that's what we do here on the channel. So if you ever want a consultation, I'd be happy to do that with you for 10 minutes for $109. Or if you want an hour worth of information from me to speak with me about getting your vehicles and equipment to run better than brand new, we can do an hour for $365. And I'd be happy to answer all your questions. This is the paperwork. You fill it out, very easy. It's a prepaid envelope, it goes right in there. All you do is throw it in there, send it out, and then they email the exact test results. Now we're going to show my car after the full cleanup, after we did the proprietary additives. We're going to show my car, the motor running better than brand new, after all that junk and silica and all that stuff's cleaned out and changing the filter. You're going to hear what it sounds like right now. Alrighty, we're gonna let you hear her sing. We got her all dialed in. You're gonna hear your first red line shift. Let's see how she sounds. A 3, a 2, and a 1. Woo! She is hot. All right, let's go over the oil analysis on my personal car. This is my 2013 C6 Chevrolet Corvette. This is the sample date right here, and this was sent to Indianapolis where they do the analysis. Here's the full comments on the vehicle. So they definitely found quite a bit of wear metal. Now my personal car was driven all city driving, 27,000 miles when I purchased the vehicle and drove it back to Las Vegas from Punta Gorda, Florida. So I drove about 2,500 miles back to Vegas on OEM style oil, which is a synthetic blend, and that film breaks down. So if you change your oil once per year, the film won't break down that much with the ethanol. But if you go 2 years, you can actually really break down that film strength and get metal on metal. So what you're seeing here is a lot of wear metals on my motor, and that was most likely from a lot of buildup that was inside the motor, the carbon, and it stuck to all those sticky areas. So when I put the Signature Series in, all that came out. Now, if you look at the oil levels here, zinc, everything's all good. All your anti-wear additives are all really bulletproof. And then what you're going to notice too is the viscosity didn't change. And that's what makes the Signature Series motor oil so impressive. That's the motor oil we ran in the vehicle. And that's what makes it the best in the world, is it holds its ability to neutralize acid, so you don't damage the gaskets in your vehicle. And you also have your ability not to thicken and not to have any soot and fuel dilution. And that film keeps the ring sealed, so you can see we don't even have 1% fuel dilution. So anything below about 2.5% is good. Below 1% is really good. There's no water, obviously. And the amount of time on this lubricant was about 5,000 miles, 4,600 miles. And we changed the filter. We're still running the oil. And this suggests that we come back and resample in 3,500 miles. Definitely nothing that needs to be done, but we're gonna keep you posted. So definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you back next time right here on Synthetic Oil Protection. Check out this video right here for more oil analysis videos on all different vehicles, from diesels to track cars to everyday economy cars. Check out that playlist. We'll see you back next time right here on Synthetic Oil Protection.